Hello, friend. How are you? Hope you're good. Today, I'm talking about how to install MySQL on Windows machine. So, let's start. Go to your Google and search here. Download MySQL. Go to MySQL official website. Download. Scroll down. Go to the community versions here, and here one options MySQL installer for Windows. Click on it. Download the first installer. Here click no thanks, just start my download. Yes, I want to save it. Click on save. View my downloads. Run this file. Downloaded file. No, I don't want to upgrade currently. It's a developer default. Server only, client only, custom. So I'm gonna go with the default one. I'm selecting the custom. Next. Not a showing available product. Why? I'm running this applications run. So preparing to install. Here is the multiple option to select developer, server only, client, full, custom. I'm going with the developer default one. MySQL Visual Studio. Execute. So all file executing here. SQL, MySQL Server, Workbench, Sail, Router, ODBC, C++. It will take some times. So wait few minutes. So all status completed here. All exe file, all files or products are installed here. Click on next. Again click on next. There is the port number and config type, port number, config type, name. Click next. Go with the first one. Use a strong password. Click next. Here enter your password. Username will be by defaultly root. So here enter your password. Re-enter your password. Click on next. 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 Execute. All configuration are executing here. Initializing a database, it done also. Updating permission also done. All configuration has been done. Now finish it. Next, finish. Next, enter your password. Connected successfully. Next, execute. Finish. Next, finish. So we will create a database with SQL Workbench. Closing it. So Workbench is open. Connect to the database. Local, localhost, root, password. Okay. Enter your password here. Great. I'm connected with my MySQL server. And written one query. Create a database. Create database. Demo. Test. Execute. Demo test. Create a database. Demo test. Okay, done. So today